Welcome back, my friends, to another work from home non-phone job lead. Real quickly, if you're new here, my name is Lindsay and I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available at the moment and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So if you never want to miss another important job lead, please make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on. That way YouTube will let you know every time I post a new video. But with that being said, today's job lead is in the healthcare field. The company Zencare provides therapy services by contracting therapists from around the world. That way you can come to their website and search for the type of therapist in the area that you are looking for and get the services you need. So they are hiring a customer success lead, and we've talked about this before. Just because it is customer service or customer success does not mean it is phone-based, and this one is non-phone. So the customer service you will be providing in this role is to the actual providers or therapists. You will manage their account renewals of their nationwide network of 3,000 plus therapist customers. So in your daily work, you will respond to customer support requests related to the account renewal and follow up on inquiries until the ticket is fully resolved. So they use an online ticketing software program. So the therapist and providers will put a ticket in, and then you will work on their ticket and comment back and forth, typing through word form through the ticket until you resolve their issue and the ticket is closed. You will have to use critical thinking skills to analyze the provider profiles and support customers to make sure that their memberships and subscription cycles are complete. You may have to help with account renewals, collaborate across operations, product sales, and marketing teams as well. So this is going to require excellent email support skills. You need to be able to write clear, actionable, and friendly emails that customers want to respond to. You need to have strong problem-solving ability. You need to be able to analyze a situation quickly, and you need to be very organized. Now, one thing to note about this, it does say they're looking for 1 to 3 years of professional experience. Post-bachelor is preferred, but not required. They are looking for experience in customer success, customer service, or account management. Now, this is a startup company. However, they say they do have a 7+ year track record at this point. So you will be working with a smaller mission-driven team. They do pay $50,000 to $60,000 a year for this position. They have health insurance reimbursement, and this is for my United States people only at this time. Visa sponsorship is not available. Now, this is a full-time position and it is remote. They are looking for someone to start with a start date of July 2022. So get those resumes in. I'm sure since we're getting ready to go into June, they have only 30 days to get someone completely through the hiring process and ready to go. So I'm sure they will be contacting people and setting up interviews pretty quickly. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Check out my main YouTube page. There might be a job lead that was recently posted that is a better fit for you, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.